All right, here we are at a church parking lot, which there are plenty of around here in Utah. They make good areas to run nitro stuff or anything really fast. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I'm behind my GoPro. Just gonna do a quick test, make sure we got power. This is the 4th tank. I'll be running through this. And we're full of gas. I'm gonna get it started and then I'll click you back on and we'll see how it runs. Okay, let's get it warmed up. Looks really good on the road, doesn't it? She handles pretty good too. Let's not hit one of those poles. I could tune it a little more lean. There's no popping, so it's not rich, but it's not lean. It's kind of right in the middle. I don't know what that was. Shouldn't be out of fuel already. I got my Airtronics vintage controller. I don't know what that is. It's like, oh, the fuel tube probably came off the exhaust, the back pressure. Freaking happens all the time. I got new fuel tube. I need to fix it. Body's kind of messed up, but it looks cool. I love it. This thing runs good. It's pretty good. I need to fix the fuel line on the exhaust for the back pressure, and I could lean it out a tiny bit for sure, but it's freaking handling nice. Pretty easy to drive. You get a little heat in the tires. It does not like slide out really. I mean, if I pin the steering, yeah, By the way, it's the 0.15 Nitrostar. There's better motors, for sure. I've got an 18 SS, and that freaking motor is so amazing. If that was in this, you would see some ballistic speeds, for sure. I don't even know if the belt could handle it. Probably, I've seen guys run those in these, so it's probably fine, but. By the way, I'm running 33% nitro. And there is some weird issue going on there. I think it's the, like I told you, it's the leak in the back pressure exhaust line. There's some weird stuff feeding the fuel. And running good. A long time. Let's get it on the bed of the truck and see what's going on. Actually richened it. Yeah, maybe it doesn't like to be that lean today. I don't know why, but it did stall and it took a minute to restart. So I did 1.3 hours richer. Oh, that was cool. Seems to be running a little better. Maybe not as hot. Probably overheated. The 0.15 is not the greatest motor. It's enough to get this thing scooting, but actually, if I had put a tune pipe on it, maybe I could then lean it out safely. Just get enough back, get enough output out the pipe to lean it. Let's do that again. Maybe I don't have enough air hole in this windshield for breathing. Could be it too. It's fun now. It's fun to watch. See, something's not right. Maybe it's not breathing. Hey guys, so let's recap what just happened. So we did some tuning and testing on the Nitro RS4 with the 0.15 Nitrostar motor. A couple issues. This loosened up on me, maybe stretched from getting hot. The motor's running pretty hot. I did richen it back up a little, thinking I could lean it out. I don't know, maybe with a better tuned pipe, this would be a little more tunable as far as leaning it out. So that's where the back pressure issue was coming from, was that loosened up on me. It's tight now. That was my 4th tank of gas that I ran through this, so you could say that it's now broke in. Up to that point, it really wasn't. Other than that, it was fun and pretty quick, and handles nice. I enjoy this thing. It is vintage, early 90s, but I didn't use it much. I bought it secondhand off a guy. I got this steering horn, or excuse me, the throttle horn all fixed and running really good. I got brake now. I need to probably clean and re-oil or get a new filter, but it's kicking butt. So I just worked out a few more tuning issues and should be able to do another run and run a whole tank through it with no interruptions, hopefully, is the goal on the next one. There's the body. It flaked off on the inside. I didn't do enough backing, and then I accidentally stepped on it when I was tuning it a couple weeks ago when we first got some decent weather. So there we go. Thanks for taking a look. This is L-Town Productions, Donatello's workshop. I'm the Dave. This is my RC shop. We'll talk to you later.